Communication is a fundamental aspect of our daily interactions, influencing our relationships, work dynamics, and overall well-being. One crucial life pro tip is to prioritize effective communication to navigate through life successfully. Active listening plays a key role in communication, allowing us to truly understand others, show empathy, and foster deeper connections. Additionally, clear articulation is essential in conveying our thoughts and feelings accurately, ensuring that our message is properly understood. Nonverbal cues such as eye contact, facial expressions, and body language also significantly impact how our message is received. Moreover, practicing assertiveness helps in expressing our needs and boundaries confidently without being aggressive or passive. Another valuable tip is to be mindful of our tone and language, ensuring that our words are respectful and considerate. By honing these communication skills, we can enhance our relationships, boost our confidence, and create a positive impact on those around us. Remember, effective communication is a powerful tool that can lead to personal growth, career success, and harmonious connections in all aspects of life.